Want to cool down your car quickly? First, ensure your engine is running or your EV is in accessory or on mode. Next, locate the AC controls on your dashboard. It's usually a button labeled AC or AC. Press it to engage the compressor. Then, adjust the temperature and fan speed to your liking. Direct the airflow using the vents for maximum cooling. For the best results, close your windows and sunroof, and use the recirculate mode to reuse cooled air already inside. If it's not cooling, consider a professional refrigerant check. Today's car AC systems are smarter than ever. Many vehicles now have automatic climate control, adjusting temperature and fan speed based on sensors. Electric vehicles use electric compressors for AC, even when stationary, which is more efficient. Also, older refrigerants are being replaced with eco-friendly options like R1234YF. Remember that AC uses power, reducing fuel efficiency by 10 to 20% in gasoline cars or draining battery in EVs. So use it wisely. Some EVs even have heat pumps to recycle waste heat, improving efficiency.